Bonjour, madam.
Di ba yung nakita
Do you
niyo?
know bunso? Bunso, it means the siblings, the last siblings.
Youngest.
Bunso.
The youngest.
The youngest. It's bunso.
Bunso.
This is my bunso. I'm the eldest.
Bunso is the youngest.
La nourriture est bonne et les gens sont sympas.
Gusto ko isa pa.
The food is good and the people are
The people is good.
I teach you. Karaan ka nabukbuk kagat ipis lang. Matalunod ko di ka nagkanto.
Kapagpangan pa yun, Ilocano.
I know.
270
I'm just
language.
joking, brother.
I know some stuff in Tagalog is masarap.
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 What like masarap? Masarap.
Filipino is
What
masarap.
like?
Do you know what is
Pilipina
that?
is masarap.
Do you know
Sa
what is
Pilipinas
that?
masarap.
What like masarap? Masarap ahon.
Masarap Pilipina.
Tampal po kay. Tampal po.
Lago tawag ka,
Lado.
Kajer?
Sorry.